Hi, it's Juanita here from Energy Gateways, transpersonal therapist. I wanted you, for those of you who aren't near grass, aren't near the earth in any shape or form, so even when you go for a walk, you're in the city, I wanted to give you a video of just connecting with the earth. And I literally mean the earth. It is a bit cold this morning, even though the sun's out, but I wanted you to be able to walk with me. It seems really strange, but it's to feel yourself as if you are walking on the earth, grass. To stand with your feet as if you are standing in nature, in this beautiful field. If I show you the field, it's a fantastic field, and I'm very lucky at the moment. There's hardly anybody here. So I want you to all stand with me, or sit with your feet on the ground if you're in your apartment, in your flat. And I want you to feel like I am feeling the earth beneath my feet. And imagine as you walk around your flat that you are walking on the earth. And I'm going to sing a song. I'm not a singer, but basically, Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heart beat. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heart beat. Heya, 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 ho. Heya, 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 hey, yo. Heya, 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 ho. Heya, 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 hey, yo. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heart beat. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heart beat. Heya, 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 ho. Heya, 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 hey, yo. Heya, 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 ho. Heya, 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 hey, yo. To feel yourself walking on the earth. Feel the grass speaking as you walk. I always imagine that as I walk, even though I'm wearing boots, my feet are making contact with the earth energy, the great mother that we live on. This beautiful place, this beautiful field that I'm able to walk in. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heart beat. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heart beat. Heya, 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 ho. Heya, 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 hey, yo. Heya, 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 ho. Heya, 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 hey, yo. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heart beat. So, our earth is really, really important. Our great grandmother earth, who nourishes us, who provides the food that we eat, even in this lockdown. We still have water, we still have the food, we have the sky, we have the sun, we have the wind, we have the earth. So give thanks and gratitude and blessings to the earth, to the sky, to the plants, the food you eat. So enjoy this walk in nature. Enjoy the grass, because some of you aren't able to get out and walk in nature and connect with a different kind of energy. So when you're walking along the streets, maybe play this video, connect with the earth as if you are walking in nature. And I hope that you can connect with me every day with my walks in nature and the tips to help you deal with this situation. As I said, my name is Juanita. I live in the UK and my website is energygateways.com. I'm going to be doing a live fire this weekend. So if you want to be part of that, go to my website, send me an email, energygateways.com. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heart beat. Mother, I feel you under my feet. Mother, I hear your heart beat. See you tomorrow. Bye.